On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram collaboration problem. So to fix this problem is very easy. All what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps right here, and now all what you have to do here is go to the Instagram app informations on your phone. As you can see, this is my version right here. This is an old version, so this is not the last one. And if you want to update it to fix this problem, it's very easy. There is two ways. The first way is just click here on app details and it will take you directly to the Play Store to update Instagram, as you can see. And if you don't have this option, then all what you have to do is open Play Store normal like this and search for Instagram and click here on update. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.